This award shines a spotlight on the female innovators leading the change in the world of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. The winner from this incredible lineup has been determined by a public vote. And to announce that winner, please welcome to the stage Women in 3D Printing Director Lisa Block.
Simon Sinek once said, "Innovation is not born from the dream. Innovation is born from the struggle." Innovation, by definition, is the willingness to make changes in something that's already established by introducing new methods, ideas, and actions. For years, Women in 3D Printing has been committed to doing just that. We have innovated in the area of empowering and advancing people. People from all over the globe, from diverse backgrounds, everyday people who represent different gender identities and socioeconomic statuses. These people have intentionally come together for one purpose: to amplify the voices of the underrepresented in the additive manufacturing industry. Our entire job as an organization is to ensure that these people feel empowered and accepted while existing in and contributing to this world-changing technology. For 5 years now, we have proudly collaborated with TCT to honor our female innovators. This award recognizes the struggle to birth new ideas, the struggle to adopt new methods, and to push the boundaries in the pursuit of what can be. To acknowledge women who are trailblazers in their field, to salute their very important work and applaud them for driving advancements and innovation in additive manufacturing. I'd also like to take a moment to extend our gratitude to our generous sponsor, EOS. EOS shares our commitment to promote and support women leaders and innovators, making them the perfect partner for this endeavor. We want to thank you for all you are doing, but even more for all that you have done. Your continued support has been amazing and is invaluable. So to help me present this award, would you please join me in welcoming to the stage, on behalf of EOS, Mr. Nathan Rawlings. In short, Women in 3D Printing is an organization comprised of incredibly talented female leaders, amazing male allies, and all together in the additive manufacturing industry. And this TCT plus Women in 3D Printing Innovator Award is the perfect representation and celebration of this mission. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please join me in celebrating the winner of the TCT plus Women in 3D Printing 2025 Innovator Award, Jonné Messer.
First of all, I'm completely honored and grateful to be up here and accepting this award. I'd like to take a second to recognize my fellow finalists. Clara, Katie, and Sophie for their contributions and unique ideas they have brought to the additive manufacturing. Each one of them are incredibly skilled and knowledgeable. 8 years ago, I started my journey into additive manufacturing, but I believe my inspiration comes from long before. In my childhood growing up, there were so many creative outlets and unique situations that encouraged figuring out problems from new perspectives. As kids, we were taught that when you make a choice, you stick to it and you commit to it till the end. It was instilled into us the importance of giving your all, believing yourself, and giving up was not in the vocabulary. You must make sure all options and paths have been exhausted. This taught me how to work with others, to achieve common goals, and to understand when to deviate my path. I give credit to my parents for giving me the opportunity and confidence to build a great work ethic in myself, laying the foundations that have proven invaluable throughout my life and now into the world of additive manufacturing. My journey with Ford started in 1997 at the Sharonville transmission plant. Since then, I have taken advantage of every opportunity that has been offered and afforded to me from the company. I started off by completing the electrician's apprenticeship program, followed up by attending many educational opportunities that helped grow and develop me as a person and as an employee. Throughout my career, I have been incredibly fortunate and grateful to have had so many strong and amazing mentors and coworkers who have guided me into leadership, business, and community involvement. After 20 years of working in many capacities, I found myself and my partner, Jeff Fisher, requesting to purchase a 3D printer to fix a nagging problem in our area. We got a printer and we were quickly bit by the bug. We learned that in the world of what the world of additive manufacturing had to offer, the problems it could solve, and the new wave of innovative ideals it could foster. We were working harder than ever in our lives, but we were having a blast creating new and improved designs and watching our parts run on the line. We never imagined that our little initiative would then spark a massive movement that would make waves throughout all of Ford. As we continued working, we came to the realization that this venture and experience should not be contained, but shared with everyone. With the power of 3D printing, we could elevate the manufacturing world by solving previously unsolvable problems, save money, and improve the lives of people around us. As 2023 came along, we were introduced to the innovation team of Ford Corporate and met someone who turned out to be the biggest game changer in our additive journey. With our introduction to Liz Bullard, the innovation manager of Ford North America, she gave us the platform and support to turn our dream of incorporating 3D printing across Ford into a reality. Today, there is a scalable solution in place that focuses on the education of AM, teaches people how to identify optimal parts that could be printed. We've developed policies and procedures which create the foundation and blueprint to make each lab be successful. We now have regular meetings with our labs in North America and our teams in Europe for each of us to share projects and ideas with one another. Outside of Ford, we also wanted to share this amazing world with others that went beyond business. Working along Garrett Myers, our AM engineer, we decided to take a leap of faith and start a community outreach program. This program aims to work with local high schools. We provide them the opportunity to get hands-on work in designing and printing real-world parts that are used at Ford. This makes learning fun and engaging. We hope to inspire our future leaders in understanding how 3D printing is revolutionizing the world. I would have never thought this journey would have taken me where I am today, a woman from Aurora, Indiana, leading the charge of this effort in Ford. I am ever so grateful to my wife and my family for putting up with me and all my crazy ideals over the years. I may be the leader of this effort, but I definitely cannot take all of the credit. I could have never made it here without everyone involved at every step of the way. I stand here as an individual, but this was a team effort with many individuals dedicated to the common goal of growing additive. Thank you.